Okay. Alright, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing to do. It's another pair of headphones because we haven't unboxed enough of those. And they are these. Now, before you go down to the comment section and start talking about how it's already unboxed and what, the story about how the box got to look like this is actually quite an interesting one. One I will tell if we hit 1,000 subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, today the headphones they're called Goji or Yoji, whatever the company name is. They're a pair of Bluetooth on-ear headphones from a company I haven't really heard much about, but a friend of mine picked these up and she thought it would be interesting for me to look at them. So looking at the product page, these go for about £20. However much that translates to US dollars. Not that it matters. Anyways, on the box you get you get a 40mm driver. Those are your speakers with 32 ohms impedance and frequency range. Oh, this one is really interesting. Frequency range of 20 to 20 kilohertz. Basically the human ear's frequency range. So it's saying it's not meant for dogs. Getting into the box, the unboxing experience minus the mishap is pretty chill actually. Alright, so inside the box you get your headphones, which is also inside another box. There you go. These are the headphones. You get your charging cable, micro USB, a headphone jack, which so far in every headphones I've unboxed, they're just an aux cable. This one has audio controls on them. Interesting. You get your card.
Piece of paper.
Yeah, piece of paper. And your manual.
Small booklet.
Alright.
Small booklet with instructions.
Alright, so these are your headphones, the on-ear headphones. No noise cancelling or anything of that sort. They're just straight up just headphones. In the hands, they feel pretty sturdy. They feel pretty well built for the price. They feel better built than these, the Lenovo's. Made of plastic, but it's a soft touch plastic and feels like it's less likely to disintegrate when you're wearing them. That's all I can say about it. On your left ear cup, you get your audio controls, your headphone jack, and an LED indicator light. On your right ear cup, you get an on-off switch and your charging port and another charging indicator light. Now this switch is really interesting because how you turn them on is you first flick this to the on position and then you hold the play button for 5 seconds, then it's on. So I don't know why they had to include that 2-stage thing, like you're launching a missile or something. Anyways guys, these are the Goji GLITOBT18. That's the official name. I mean, it's not as bad as Sony's naming, but it's still pretty terrible. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post the full review on this pair of headphones and this one as well. This one's also coming. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.